Yes, yes. Hi.
You're really sweet and beautiful.
That's one thing. Okay.
This flower is for you.
Okay. Any more?
What flower? This chocolate is for you.
Kit Kat?
Yeah.
Well, I should mean to you.
Oh, no, you mean a small tree. I got $50.
$50?
Yes.
Just my luck.
Shall we sit down somewhere?
Sit down.
Yes.
I suggest like present.
What do you mean? I thought you want me to be. I thought you want to be my friend or maybe my girlfriend.
Look at you. You're just a simple faced shorty.
But I'm good at my studies, you know?
Well, that just means you're a simple faced